Okay, I think that is good. Okay, what's going on, everybody? Just out here in the shop. Just gotta get things lights on so I look good. But today we are out here and we are cleaning. That's really what the gist of this is cleaning. I got a new workbench put up, which is really exciting. But today we have to clean up the shop. You can see it is just nasty. And then we gotta get more lights in here. I have these two lights up here that I need to figure out, get power to. And about a year ago, I put a video kind of like this on my channel called Tea Time. Awesome name, I know. Anyways, I put it out just as sort of like a test for a vlogging situation, sort of in the shop life kind of dealio. And now that I have time again, I kind of want to start doing that again. And I think it's fun. It's fun for me to do. It's fun for hopefully you to watch. Might not be. Fun for me because it allows me to practice my video skills. It allows me to practice talking to a camera in my shop all alone. So if you haven't seen those other Tea Time videos, they're not amazing, but they're out there. I'd appreciate it if you went and watched them, liked them, let me know what you guys think about them, and let me know if you guys would want something more like this. So yeah, once we get this whole area cleaned up, we'll get started on the lights, and then if you can see, yeah, back over here, I have a table that I need to start refinishing. I'm not gonna put out like a video or anything on it because it's a client job and they want it back quick, and refinishing is boring. So I need to spend some time in here over the next couple days, organizing, getting my tools back where they should go. And it's gonna be fun. I'm gonna take the time to really, I mean, there's a lot that I wanna do in this space. I mean, I think everybody has big dreams when it comes to their own shop space, and I definitely am a dreamer. I just don't have the time and I don't have the money. So I'm gonna do the best I can in here for now. And we'll work on it as we go. Anyways, let's get to cleaning. This stuff kind of run around here is like miscellaneous stuff. A lot of it's for my wood turning, which I have no spot for. So it'll stay there, that's fine. And it is rather dark in here. I do have this. Oh gosh! Okay, that ought to make things a little bit easier. Let's get you guys set up here and clean some more. It's funny how just like things start to accumulate in your garage if it's empty. Like these, I think we took these out of the wall like 6 months ago and they're still just in here. I don't know. pretty good. Everything's clear, everything's cleaned up. I definitely want to sweep, but that's always at the end. Always sweep at the end. Oh yeah, let's let Odin in. Odin! There he is. Come here. There he is. Oh, you are a little bit wet. Gross. Oh, gross. Okay. Wet dog. You guys can smell it right now, right? That's kind of gross. All right, and now that that's done, let's get to work on the lights. The lights. The lights. Well, I have those two where I want them, I think. So we're not gonna move them. We're just gonna get them plugged in and set up, which will be super nice because then my shop will be getting somewhat back to normal. This is looking good. At least I have a little bit more light in this area. I think I do want to move them this way a little bit too. But I think for now, it looks good. I mean, this already is a ton more light, which is really nice. So I'm digging it. Looking good, looking good. We got Odin here. Odin, that's for tools. It's not for you. Huh? It's okay, good boy, good boy. Good boy. Ah, don't look at the lens. Yeah, looking good. I'm glad that I've taken the time to do this, because now I can get started on projects, which is fun. But anyways, that's it for me today. I hope everyone has a great day. Be good, be safe, be happy, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.